Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. No conspiracy, that's the word from Jamaica Table Tennis Association President Andrew Liu after a list of invitees were announced for next weekend's National Junior and Senior Trials. Jerome Foster reports.
In an unprecedented move, 55 players have been invited by the Jamaica Table Tennis Association for their two-day trials on February 4 and 5. Unlike previous years, where the trials was open to registered competitors, President Andrew Liu says a change has been made.
There are certain guidelines that we use for this trial. We look at performance, we look at their training, their participation in our tournament, and their ranking points. From that, we shortlist the invitees. Yes, we have a ranking system that we started using since our first tournament from the pandemic, 2021, coming forward, yes.
The nation's struggles in recent regional tournaments have not helped either, according to Liu.
All our activities are focused on getting more exposure for the younger athletes at a higher level. Because we have been giving the older guys opportunities. And for example, for last year in 2022, we had 3 regional championships. We had the senior championships, we had the youth and the mini cadets. And out of all 3 delegations, it's only the senior team never even reached quarterfinals in one event.
Liu, who is considering a return to the post of president, says there is no cover-up in the process.
All of this is geared towards development. It's not any conspiracy or we're trying to get rid of the older players. No, and the truth of the matter also is that the older players need to put in more time on the table.
21 senior players, 20 under-19 players, and 14 players under 15 across genders are down to compete at the national arena for spots on the teams to the Caribbean Junior and Senior Championships in March in Guyana. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.